got rippling water to wake me to the morning, my woman in love. And tall pine trees are pointing us easily to heaven above. Blue spruce flaming on the grate in the evening takes the chill away you find. Cut the telephone line and the story's the same. There's a worn red chair by the window that we found at a sale down the way, when some old women said that they needed more room for the winter. But people like pulling out the stuff and when they sit down, and so it passes the time. Cut the